of a rude answer they gave when we asked for all this.
This is the demand here. And we know who are you, sir?
I'm
Are you representing DLF or any other company? Sure. I'm not working.
I have.
No, we don't have. It's a kind of online forum. There's nothing concrete. We are just online forums supporting other ITM.
If we can, no, the problem is even we don't want all these speculations to spread around. If you give some information, it will be. We will also say that see, these are the clarified information given by the authorities, so there is no room for speculation. So it is a kind of we are just helping each other.
You do understand. So myself is Roger. Basically, on the day of the rain, happened on the 1st of December, followed by the 2nd of December. Then the river gets overflowed, it gets all overflowed into the road, and water up to 3 feet everywhere, and the water gets into our basements. So what happened is when the basements get flooded, we give enough ample time to notify the people, actually through our PA system, and also all the flows are connected to the PA systems where voice communication will go up. Plus, loud hailer use it out to the basements to go and tell them that this is basically lift your vehicles like this. Normally, those who are working there on the day, they have to bring their vehicle and park it here. If they are parking it more than 24 hours, as per our security policies, they have to hand over the keys to their admin. It could be for any emergencies that we need to lift a vehicle. If the emergency, we don't know. It could be evacuation, it could be rescue operation, for any purpose. If it is 24 hours, because why we are saying 24 hours, the person may be working inside the complex during that time. So it will be fine that we will approach him and we'll get it done. If it is more than 24 hours, leaving the vehicle for anywhere he is going for upload or whatever various reasons actually. So he has to give the key to that. What happens when we start communicating to lift your car from the lower basement to the upper basement? That's a cause left out. Then the admin also helps us because those vehicles don't have the keys. So this is the standard policy. You are not supposed to park your car more than 24 hours. So normally what will happen when there is a rain, people tendency is also they feel this place is a safe place and they will leave it here, and because this will be safer than even some of the residences. So basically they will keep the causes. But unfortunately the incident has happened because of the river overflows into our basements, and it gets flooded up to the second basement. So first basement. What happened is when it completely get flooded into the first basement, there are about 200 over cars and 300 over bikes got trapped into the floods. Due to safety reasons, we prevent employees entering. Because water is not completely dewatered, it's not completely drained off and dried off. Having said this, we put a very strong security checks on letting the people in because we don't want any incident to take place. We are 100% a safe organization. We are the one and only developer in the world who backs British Safety Council. So we got certain norms to do it. And all our buildings in Gurgaon is British Safety Council certified one. So with that norms, we prevent the employees just get into the basements because they want to see the basement. We didn't know whether they knew whether they can able to swim, or if something they slip and fall, what will happen to them. We can't put a security guard at every place because the basement is dark. Because of the flooding, it trips. Water entered to the circuit and it trips. And also it's not safety. We have to do a lot of things. We have to isolate the basement power first. So we can't let the people to go and touch the water. It should be 100%, it should be safe then only. But we are safe. We give every time announcement for the people to come. But there is no one trapped. We ensure we got 35 fire safety officers stationed all over the 10 blocks, and they go personally to check for the relief. When the flood water is up to the knee point, they go. None of them is trapped inside. So there is no death toll as what the rumors are speculating. Since we stop the people to coming in and they ask for vehicles to take out the vehicle, we say, wait, you can't take out the vehicle right now. So we are not letting them to see the vehicle. We are not
letting them to come and view the place because of their own safety only. There's no other reason. Absolutely, it's their safety. Their safety is the paramount important to us. So we put up a stop. There is no fatality. Today the corporation is here. And the CID department is from police. They all did complete checks and they are given the report. And it is safe. The speculation created by our own employees because of their own self-interest, which they want to bring the court. They want to get the media attention. On last Sunday, there was one organization employee was sitting on the road saying that I'll pull the media. If you don't allow me, I'll pull the media. I'll speculate everything. I'll tell that what is happening inside. There are bodies inside. I'll make sure the media steps in, the authority steps in. And this all happened from that particular thing. There are 20 employees sat on the road and this is the cause of it. The speculation. Now, it got a bit more challenging to go through this process, but we are clear. You can put this into it and the building is operational now. It's in operation.
So employees started coming in and working?
Operation in the sense we are just up the power for the servers and kind of things, raw powers, and they are doing their own, IT people are doing their checks, technical staff doing their checks and everything.
Okay.
So from Monday onwards we are going to
Start the operation.
for a few blocks.
Okay. And about the, probably I think so all these speculations might have triggered because of the rude behavior. That is what even I think.
No, you have to understand that when we are telling that please don't enter, please live with your admin. So because our IT park is closed, you have to understand the problem also, right? Why they are saying it? Because it is not a, we are very clear with all the admin managers. They are working with their company's admin. So we are constantly in touch with their admin managers. We are telling it very clearly.
Okay, sir. Thanks for the clarification. It's a great actually.
Thank you.